Let me say this loud and clear. You are not behind, you're not unwanted, and you're not definitely unworthy just because that man hasn't come into your life yet. Girl, he's not late. You are just early on your path to something greater. Let's talk about what focusing on you really looks like and why that is where your power is as a woman. Let 2025 be about you, your personal growth, your glow up, your goals, to refine you, because if you're not refined, then it's going to be another battle. If you're watching this and you're thinking, why am I still single? I want you to shift that energy to what I'm about to tell you now, because being single is not a curse. It's a season, and in this season, you have been given a rare gift. The chance to focus entirely on the important things and part of your life, becoming a better person. A lot of times when people tell you to focus on yourself, what you will want to think first is about a spa date, solo vacations, eating good meals, and taking good smoothies and resting well. Well, in as much as those things are great, focusing on yourself isn't just about those surface things I just mentioned, but about asking yourself, who am I? What do I really want in life? Who am I becoming? Am I building a life that I love, whether or not someone is watching? If you're feeling empty or stuck, it is not because love hasn't found you. It is because you haven't fully found yourself yet. And no relationship, I tell you, can fill a space you are afraid to fill in your own life without God's help. You can't focus on love if you do not know the kind of love you want. You can't focus on love if you also cannot give love to yourself. And you cannot attract something real if you're still unsure of your worth. What is the vision for your life in line with God's plan? Not for when He comes, not for when you are in a relationship, but for right now. Ask yourself, what kind of woman am I building? What kind of peace do I want to have? Is it the peace of God or of the world? What kind of love do I want to receive from this man I'm waiting for? And am I showing this same love to myself or to people around me? Let me tell you something real quick. Just because you are available to yourself does not mean you are accessible. When you truly start to focus on yourself, you are going to lose people. You are going to scare off the wrong men or even your friends. You are going to start noticing who respects your energy and who does not. And guess what? That's okay. Because setting boundaries is not about pushing love away. It's about making room for the right love to find you. Being single is not a pause. It's a preparation phase. I remember how God was preparing me for my husband through many ways. And when I look back today, I am glad I went through that preparation phase, because trust me, being single does not mean you're waiting. It means you're working on yourself, on your peace, on your purpose. You're becoming the kind of woman who knows that her joy is not tied to a man. And when the right one comes along, he's not going to be completing you, but he's going to be complementing what you've already built. So you do not have to isolate yourself to level up. You do not need to cut joy off just to wait for the right person to come. Grow yourself spiritually. I know why I'm saying this. Get to know God for yourself. Grow yourself physically. Grow yourself emotionally. Grow yourself financially. Grow yourself intellectually, because that marriage you are so eager to enter into, you need to be stable in all these areas I have mentioned. So, if love hasn't come your way yet, remember this. You're not waiting, you're becoming. Keep growing, keep glowing, keep setting your standard and loving yourself and waiting on God, because the woman you are building right now, she does not need to be chosen to know her worth. She already knows. So start preparing, girl. And I hope that this video has helped you stop worrying, but start preparing as soon as you can. Drop love in the comment to tell me how you're focusing on yourself this season. Because sis, your story is just getting started, and the best part is you are the main character. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more relationship tips like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.